Hey guys, let's check it out. How to clean a stained cutting board. Well, I messed it up with beads. As you can see, I washed it with dish soap and water and I scrubbed it, but it was still stained. Then I wanted to try the magic cleaner, the baking soda. So I sprinkled the board and left it there for 10 minutes. Then I used my brush and I scrubbed the board up and down, left and right, and in circular motions. Took me about a minute. And voila! Look at that! It's stainless. The baking soda works indeed. I give it 5 stars.